The Minister of National Security says the killing of 3 people in Waterloo, St. Catherine this morning is related to the ongoing gang activity in the area. One of the victims is a 16-year-old student from the Innswood High School. More in this report from Kirk Wright.
The victims are 43-year-old Omar Wellington, his wife 36-year-old Sharon Wellington, and their son 16-year-old Orlando Wellington. The woman was believed to be pregnant. Residents say they heard loud explosions coming from the direction of the victim's home sometime after 3 in the morning. The police say they are still not sure why the family of 3 was killed, but all 3 victims had signs of gunshot wounds. Their hands were all tied, but the woman's mouth was gagged. Mr. Wellington worked at an auto parts company in Spanish Town, while Mrs. Wellington was a cashier at a supermarket. Their son was a student at the Innswood High School in St. Catherine. The house was ransacked, but the police did not give any indication that robbery was the motive. The police are appealing to members of the public for their help to solve the crime.
We are of the opinion that there might be persons in the community who are aware of who the perpetrators may be, and we would love for them to give us the information, whatever information they have, so that we can arrest those persons individually as quickly as possible.
But the Minister of National Security, when asked about the killing later on Tuesday, said the attack was linked to an ongoing gang war in the Spanish Town area.
We have a number of concerns inside the gang war in Spanish Town. In the last 48 hours, we have seen attack on 6 women. 12 died. I'm concerned there's a certain sales in stick up with further the murder to concern. Beyond the policing, kind of just wanton killing a woman and women who would be murdering each other.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.